Sweetie, you should go back to bed. It's late. I don't know what you're doing up, but you should really go back to bed. Okay? Come on. Cuddle up close, okay? And there you go. Why do you have that concerned look on your face? And why are you looking at me like that? Yeah, sweetie, you can ask me a question. Am I a vampire? The answer is yes. I am a vampire. Okay. Alright, sweetie. Good night. How come I never told you? I don't know, sweetie. I thought it was kind of obvious, honestly. We've been living together for like 3 years, right? And I never go out in the sun. I don't eat garlic, right? You've seen me drink blood before, and you've seen me brush my fangs, right? So I just thought it was obvious. Why do I have a heartbeat and why do I sweat? I guess, I'm not full vampire, alright? So, like, I do have human tendencies. My dad's vampire, and my mother, Bella, she's human, right? So that's why, I have a heartbeat and I sweat and, I have human tendencies. There's a whole movie on it, like, called Twilight. We'll watch it together and you'll understand the full story, okay? Alright, sweetheart? Alright. Good night, baby. You still can't sleep, huh? It's okay, sweetie. Just don't worry. I remember when I first saw you. I thought you were the prettiest girl in the world. I was so nervous to come up and talk to you when I first saw you. I thought you were the most beautiful girl in the whole world. I did. I was terrified. I was terrified of you. But I knew. And I knew I had to come up and talk to you. So I mustered up the courage to walk to you. And as I was walking, my palms were so sweaty. My heart was racing. And then I came up to you and I said hi. And I still remember that look that you gave me when I came up to you and said hi. You gave me the most disgusting look ever. You're like, how dare this guy come up and say hi to me? I'm just kidding. I think you were shocked. But yeah, I was so nervous talking to you. I had no idea what I was saying. I was just saying gibberish. But one thing led to another, and you gave me your number. Yeah. I think that was like one of the most happiest days of my life. Okay, my little princess. Alright. It's time for you to go to sleep, okay? Okay. You, my dear, gotta wake up early tomorrow. So, go to sleep, okay? Alright. Good night, my little pumpkin. Good night, my little teddy bear. Good night, my little honeybee. Okay. Good night, my little princess. No, sweetie. You're not sleeping yet. I see you're hungry. Is there anything that I can get you? I mean, in the freezer we got some lasagna, pasta, Alfredo, chimichangas, corn dogs, hot dogs. You got frozen hamburgers, those microwavable ones. Pizza. You got ice cream. You got chocolate, Rocky Road, matcha, whatever you want. You want the lasagna? Okay. Alright. I will get you the lasagna. Give me 1 second, okay? I will be back, my little princess. Here you go, sweetie. I got you some food. Eat up, sweetie. Let's cuddle. Let's cuddle while you sleep. You know, you got the most beautiful eyes I have ever seen in my life. You do. Your eyes are something really special. It's just that, your eyes, they sparkle. Especially when you talk about something you love. I mean, it can be kind of distracting, but I don't mind it much. I'm serious, sweetie. I mean, who wouldn't get lost in those beautiful eyes? I mean, I do. And sometimes when the light just hits your eyes just right, they glow. They have this unique beauty that, I don't know, I can't help noticing. But honestly, sweetie, you should be really, really careful with eyes like those. You might steal someone's heart without even trying. You got the most beautiful lips in the world. You do. Your lips are really beautiful. There's something about your lips that just draws me in. They really do. And when you smile, you light up the whole room. And it feels like everything just fades away but me and you. And it just makes me feel so lucky to just be here with you. And when you speak, I can listen to you for hours. Your voice and the combination with the way your lips move. It's just mesmerizing. It makes everything you say feel so special. And I just want you to know I appreciate all of you. Your lips are not just beautiful, they also hold this warmth and kindness that makes it so comforting to be close to you. I mean, baby, you're amazing inside and out, and your lips are a part of that. They are. And your hair. I just love putting your hair behind your ears like that. Your hair is so beautiful. It's so soft. I just love the way how the light shines on your hair sometimes. It just has this glow. Sometimes I just get lost in it. But it frames your face so perfectly. It really does. And I love how my fingers feel when I run through your hair. So silky and soft and smooth. And sometimes when you just let your hair down, and I'm like, wow, a whole new side of you just comes out. You make beauty look so effortless. And all that makes up your face. Sweetie, you got the most beautiful face I have ever seen in my life. You really do. Every time I look at your face, my whole world just lights up. It just makes everything brighter. Even if I'm having the worst day, it just makes everything brighter. And I love watching your expressions change. Either when you're happy, sad, or annoyed. Every single emotion that crosses your face is just so captivating. And I don't know if you realize this, but you have a way of making me feel calm by just being here. And I could spend hours just looking at you, being mesmerized by every curve and line. You're incredible. And every time I see your face, and I fall more and more in love with you. You have this natural beauty that no one could ever compare to.